Welcome back, guys. We'll be doing another unboxing today from General Kickmall Corporation. Should be it's a powder coat remover for my little trailer that I was painting back in July. I just started grinding on it and it just too much work, so I'm using powder coat remover. And yeah. So we're going to cut the box. Can you guys see it pretty good? Yeah, this is from General Kickmall Corporation. Contact them regarding the little trailer, see if they want to send me some stuff for it, and they said sure. So, thanks to them. I'll put a link in the description to their website. Looks like it's in a 5-gallon bucket. We're just going to cut the box because you want to be careful that you don't poke the bucket. Nice bucket though, that's for sure. So there we go right there. See General Kickmall Corp. There's their phone number right there. If you want to ask them about set right there. There's their information right there. Email, website, phone number, address, name for professional use only. So if you don't, not really sure if you know what you're doing, don't use this stuff. So because I mean this is some dangerous stuff probably. So I'd recommend probably wearing gloves, a respirator, cover any, make sure you don't get this on your skin, have a well ventilated area, and yeah, because yeah, got 5 gallons of this stuff, so we gotta get the trailer frame up to around 75 to 200 degrees warm for around 30 minutes or more. Then apply that and keep it at that temperature, and that should loosen up the powder coat so you can just peel it up and it'll be nice shiny metal, just like paint stripper on a car. So yeah, but powder coat's put on with heat, so that's why you gotta use heat. It's basically reverse of how powder coat's put on, basically. Is what it is. But I want to say thanks again for General Chemical Corporation for sending me stuff for the little spray trailer, so we can get that going, so we get that trailer painted. Probably I got my little paint gun now, so right up there, so I might just get some paint and paint it with the spray gun instead of spray paint, because spray paint don't make it look that bright. But yeah, so I want to say thank you guys for the support. Hopefully you enjoyed this video too. We like working with companies that make good products. So we're going to do a review on this and test it out and let you guys know what I think about the product. I'm pretty sure it'll do a good job, especially when it has a nice picture on the front like that. So, and I'm pretty sure I've used their products before, so can't remember what product I used theirs, but I'm pretty sure I've heard the name before. So yeah, so please subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, and yeah, thanks again, and catch you on the next one.